All right, next we want to accept a size prop to encapsulate styling. So rather than forcing people to pass a class name for the specific size of box that they want, I think it would actually be better if we just pass a size and then leave the styling as an implementation detail. Maybe they're using inline styles, or maybe they're using class names, or maybe they're using data attributes. I don't care. I just want a small box. And so rather than saying box small as a class name, I want to be able to say size is small and then leave the implementation to the box component. So how would we make that work? Well, obviously, if we do that right now, then we're going to lose that class name here. But what I'm going to do is we'll take the size right here, and I'm going to construct a size class name. So as far as the user of the component, they don't really care that I'm constructing a size class name. They just pass the size. That's the API for this component. But as the implementer, I do care about how this all works, and I want to have a box dash dash and then whatever the size is, class name if a size is specified. So let's do a size class name, and that'll be our size. And if they are specifying a size, then we'll say box dash dash size. Otherwise, we'll just do an empty string here, and then we'll insert that size class name right there. And now we've got our small light blue box, and we can do the same for all of these. Say size, and instead of box dash dash, it'll just be the size that I want. And we're getting the right class names applied, and therefore we're getting the proper sizes for all of our boxes. I really like making components like this, where the styling is an implementation detail of the component, and the user of the component doesn't really care about how the styling is accomplished. It just specifies some different options, some different props, and then the implementation of the component figures out how to make that magic happen. But it also composes the style prop and composes the class name prop so that as a user, I can override or specify specific things that I want applied from a styling perspective, in addition to the features that are actually supported out of the box. No pun intended.